Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there buddies, and welcome back to another little video. And wow, what a surprise this one was coming down to the pond. And for an even bigger surprise, make sure you watch to the end. So this is a Shikra. The Shikra is a common resident over much of Thailand and probably the most common raptor that you'll come across. The adult males have a reddish iris and blue-grey upperparts and fine brownish-orange barring on the underparts. The females have a yellowish iris and brownish-grey underparts, and both have narrow dark barring on the tail. The Shikra hunts for a wide variety of prey in woodland and even suburban gardens. Although my garden's not really suburban, it was still a great pleasure to see one. But unfortunately, not such a great pleasure for the zebra dove that I saw him swoop out and grab and sit on the tree and slowly pick away at the innards of the bird. But I suppose that's nature, and unfortunately I didn't manage to get any video of that. Camera's always in the wrong place at the wrong time, isn't it? But there you go. He came down for a drink shortly after, and that's where I captured this video. Shikras nest here around this time of year, which is late June, early July, usually at the end of the dry season, coming into the rainy season. The nest is built in a tree, just a small platform made of sticks. As I've been hearing them quite regularly most days, hopefully they will nest somewhere close to the garden, but not too close as to disturb all the regular birds that come down here. Anyway, as we always say, if you want to see this bird, learn the sound. So here goes. Now, I promised you something special at the beginning of this little video, and here it is. He didn't stay for long. I only got a couple of seconds of video, but what an awesome sight to see this Japanese sparrowhawk in the same tree. The Japanese sparrowhawk is a non-breeding migrant here, so not always easy to see. Anyway, that's it for now. Again, another little video, this time on two accipiters, the Shikra and the Japanese sparrowhawk. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.